I watch so many Igbo rappers.
Yeah, Jerick.
Kedu male rappers that you feel like these people are legends in the game? Then egwa in the ndị nkịta kwụkwa n'ọkụ gaa n'iru.
They're not on board right now.
Yes.
Okay, our legend. Let's start from Fino is a legend.
Yes.
In fact,
exactly.
he's legend yesterday, today, and forever. As long as he lives.
Yes. Yes.
Because you listen to that new
Hero.
verse. Oh Jesus,
Yes.
Hero.
Yes.
That's a legendary verse.
It is.
I don't think anybody would have put that stunt like in the whole of
is.
Southeast. It is only Ezeke that can do that mad.
It was unmatchable. I agree.
Exactly. So Zoro too.
Chimobi.
Abba Swag is still him. Abba Swag is still him.
Oji Fune.
Yimoti Ikia na kona foreign.
Yes.
That kind of thing.
Yes.
And then Jerick Iyo. Oh
wait.
May God help me. I would like a song with Jerick.
What do you think Jerick is doing to the game? Jerry came. You know that. Let me come. Due to you are a very small girl, so let me run you through the history. You know, Nigaro came.
Yes.
Okay, Chuku.
Yes.
And started talking.
Okay.
You know, it was poetry in motion.
Yes.
You know, Negaro was saying things that we were hearing
Yes.
and were vibing to it.
Yes.
Then Slow Diggy from nowhere. Bam. So I am also able Slow Dog and Negaro because their voice was the same.
The same.
Until Slow Dog were going to have Slow Dog in the kitchen.
Okay.
Who get that thing?
Get that thing.
He gets so Slow Diggy and then Negaro, they came into the game. And then it just like this thing was not existing before.
Yeah.
And they came in and they put it in existence.
Yes.
Then after Slow Diggy, by then I think Fino was a producer then.
Okay.
Slow Diggy and Nigaro was doing their thing. Then Iblis Oga Boss, you get?
Yes.
Was also trying to show us another part of rap that
Oh, Negaro came before Iblis?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I can tell you for a fact that Negaro, when he's Obode Deluwo, I've not heard about Iblis. It was Negaro came. Then Zoro too. Funny enough, I think we heard Zoro before we heard Fino. I think we heard Zoro's verse in Owusage. I stand to be corrected. Owusage, Emare, with Wizboy.
It was just recently I found that it was Zoro that is in that song.
That did the song. Then Fino came and you know,
changed the game.
Fino came and, you know,
He became Fino.
It can't be like say no brother rap can kinda know before.
I swear.
You know, we're doing it, and then the four of them, or rather the five of them. Let's don't forget one guy they call my guy, not one guy. I'm sorry to say that. Utalineto. Do you know Bosalin?
I know Bosana.
Yes.
Oka guy.
Yes.
I know Bosalin.
Bosalin on Utale.
Utalineto, yes, I know him.
So don't even forget that Bosalin was in Oka, and from Oka, Bosalin was conquering and doing his own thing. And there's a guy called Hype MC. I'm trying to rap educate you now. Is that gonna?
Yes.
There's a guy they call Hype MC. Hype MC should be the younger brother of Negaro. Doing his thing. Going head to head with Negaro. Yes. I think when Negaro married, Hype MC social denanding Nekemaya. It was his brother. Then Enugu had their own underground kings that was dominating the game. Like Enugu had their own underground kings where you have Effect MC them.
Okay.
These are people that have been in the game. There are so many good people that are in Enugu that were doing their thing, that they were big, that their song was running in Enugu, their raps were running.
Yeah.
But maybe their feathers did not fly to the. But I'm trying to carefully so that I will not forget names.
Yes.
No, there's another guy in Okaden doing his thing, Schoolboy. that is now Emeka Solomon recently, but I did not know where he is now. Then Jerick now came into the game, and then Jerick now started the EO cartel.
The thing is that Jerick is not just a rapper.
Okay.
Jerick sells his swag
with
his music.
Okay.
If you look at him, you see he's not just any kind of, I think he's even from, like, right now, every rapper is trying to be like Jerick.
I agree.
The young is,
I agree.
do you understand?
Everybody is doing
obe. Right now, everybody is a trap star. Once you just hold smoke, you go trap star.
Oh, okay.
You understand the thing now?
Yeah, you the real boy, you go to trap star.
What a shout out to no Omoba. You understand?
Yes.
Onye if you lale go loud the guitar no. Obu. You understand?
Yeah.
And once they just see 1K dolls or 2K dolls music.
Yes.
You understand the thing now?
Yes.
Once they just see small money, it just feature anybody, bam, I will go trap star.
Yes.
You understand? So like most of us youngins don't even have that experience, that dream. You understand? But because we see that, okay, I can actually do this. I can actually, after all, I don't have so much that I'm doing now. I'll just package myself and tell them I'm a trap star.
Yes.
And that is how they become.
Yes.
You understand what's going on right now?
Yes.
Jerick now, like everybody right now is trying to be like Jerick. In fact, if Jerick just tie hanky like this, just tie bandana, put it there like 3 times, the whole street is on it.
He's a street king now.
Jerick is the rave of the moment. You want to go?
I thought he was joking until he shut down the whole of
Jerick joke
when he did his
Jerick is big.
Live show. I thought
to me right now,
man,
Jerick he has come from the east and he's doing well in the west right now. That show, Victoni, Oxlade,
yes,
you understand?
Yes.
They came down to east for Jerick.
Yes,
that's a lot.
That's massive.
Too huge.
That's massive. I just hope he will continue that. Because I laid the Fino by video. Fino first. Or maybe 1 time or 2 times.
He's doing it this year too.
And I know I just wish he can because the street needs a king.
I think Jerick is really promising. Because he does not even sound like who has come to play. Jerick did not stay in the trenches that long just to come here, do one show and go back.
Yes.
No. I'm not. Seriously, Jerick is doing so much, and then Aguero Banks,
the
Anwolo.
Okay.
Yeah, Aguero right now is going harder. Like is him and Jerick right now repping the East.
Don't you think that their sounds alike? Because listening to that Aguero's Hero.
Yes.
What I go?
Do you remember me?
Yeah,
I know. I know.
Do you think they sound the same?
I really do not see
the similarities.
Yes, it's because I saw the comments on one post. I said, really?
And I found out that I think he's the same producer.
Yeah, J-Swag.
Yes,
J-Swag. Yes, it is. Maybe or maybe not. I didn't really.
You are playing safe because you're a rapper. You are trying to play safe so that you don't offend the gods. Abig Rhapz, Jerick, because when I talk to a particular person, I try to talk about their own field and everything.
Yes.
And when Jerick came in, his recent album, King.
Yes.
I've played the song. I've played the songs on the album. But then when he introduction he used the voice of Peter Doche.
Yes.
Did you watch that?
Yes. I listened to it.
And then paid homage
to
Fino.
Yes.
For me, I think that was incomplete. I think somebody like Zorro
should have been there.
should have received homage. Do you know why? Zoro introduced Otu to the rap scene.
Okay.
You get? I'm trying to tell you now. Kafia, Nigaro came with Abia. That is the first thing he says when he sings Abia.
Yes.
You know, he's from Abia State.
Yes.
Then Slow Diggy came with Enugu, and then Obotopo Nwa na Okuzu.
Yes.
Zoro came with Otu.
Okay.
Then Zoro also came with 042. He rapped. So I think that Zoro actually walked so that Jerry could fly. Okay. Because Ogbe Iyo is on nature.
He's on nature. Yeah. He's rapping
yes. So it was Zoro that did it first. So, but I don't know their relationship or anything and everything. Talk. You want to say something?
The thing is that, you know, when somebody is doing something, he has his reasons.
Yes.
You understand? So now Jerick did that. It is now, how would I put it right now? Would I say it is depending on who he wants to? I think it is depending on who his goat is.
Yes.
Per se.
I agree.
You understand? So
I agree.
maybe for him, Fino has carried him more to him.
Okay.
You understand? Fino has repped that godfather in his like has repped like godfather in his life more than any other person. So he sees just like what's his name? Just like
Sparkle?
Zeus. No,
Okay, Zeus,
just like Zeus is to Marina, because there is nowhere I will go and I will not tell people, see, I am what I am today. You know that man is because of him.
Yes.
You understand that kind of thing?
Yes.
Okay, maybe I'm dropping something right now. I will now say, okay, I'm going to include his voice or anything. It means he's my God, like my mini God. You know, so I think Jerick is paying homage, especially to who.
And then he has the rights.
Of course.
He has the rights. I'm just saying this
Of
because
course.
I'm a big fan of Zoro and a friend to Zoro too.
And then
I know what Zoro did to the Onitsha rap game.
Yeah, and then him now respecting Fino that much doesn't mean he is not acknowledging what Zoro did.
Okay.
So
like you mean he's not ignoring what?
No, he is not.
Okay.
As much as I know, Jerick actually respects Zoro very much since that no more leka or will call me back later.
Okay.
Now him and them
and Zoro.
Okay, yes, you understand.
Okay.
So Jerick loves Zoro very much.
Okay.
Yeah, like he loves the guy, not even because of the album thing.
Yes,
he respects Zoro very well.
I agree.
Jerick loves.
Then there this Spakuti, his sound is different. Okay, Wiki Kumaka, the sound this Spakuti introduced, and now he's trying to blend Ghana to Onitsha. What do you have to say about that talent?
He's creative.
Abi?
Spakuti is artistic.
Yes.
Like that is why you are an
artist.
See, Spakuti is versatile. When I knew him, he was a rapper.
Okay.
Walai, from that hot exclusive cypher.
Yes.
2019 or 2020.
Yes.
Spakuti the rap. Like na rap, he rapped throughout that song. I was just shocked when he started singing. I was like, is he not a rapper? Oh, he's a singer. From there, he started singing. Different styles. Which one is that?
Is it
Anyama.
Yes.
They give you that inspiration.
Yeah.
You understand? Spakuti, to me, Spakuti is artistic. He's creative. That is his own style. He's unique. He's doing it so well. Now he's he's going for himself and he's earning big. If they see him say, okay, he they do on the chatting, Sparkle T is earning big. I can say for sure that guy he goes to show every time. You understand? So as long as you are getting famous, you are earning big, what else are we doing the music for?
Yes.
What else are we doing the music for? As long as you are getting what you are in there for.
Yes.
So that's his own, and he's doing it really good.
Where I must encourage some of our Igbo rappers and artists here.
Yes.
People like Nozigi, Rati.
No.
Yes, people. I think we have a lot of talent here, and then I just hope that I can lay hands on so many of them, so that I can bring them to Gbam. But today we have Abig Rhapz, so let's talk about Abig Rhapz.
Yes.
Abig Rhapz. How do we get another thing at least second half? Ka amakọrọ nọ anyị na onye nwe egwu kọrọ n'ọgbọ onye nwe lap ọla anyị 1 or 2 na ka ekwute na ọ na-eme big na.
Okay.
Ka ọmụnye gị freestyle, ọmụnye gị yara.
Maybe the
You got need big. Do something for us.
I rap about being so focused, maka anum on my 10 toes. I rap about being so focused, Oga Buddha about 10 foes. Bora said, don't work too hard, I should just work hard. Somehow the game needed a life, so I put in on my heart. I rap about winning, because I really want to win. I wish to feel what you feel. I don't know what he's feeling. If your boyfriend they give, then use your head the bill. Unbelievers still don't believe this is A to the B-I-G. One ain't so top, and I'm on top, and now what's up? No film audio mo top notch. Chukumelu me belle fast touch. They see no light in me, but I dey steady the light up. I told my brothers not giving up. Oh, abonya bonoso. I dey steady on my lane. I dey hustle for the pay. Everybody know me, yeah. I dey show you on my lane. I dey steady on my lane. I dey hustle for my pay. Everybody know me, yeah.
Who they see the laugh? Kedu style, okay? Kedu he got your style.
All right, okay. I started as a rap artist, but right now I want to try more.
Okay.
I want to blend in singing to my rap.
Okay.
Makachi, if rap no sell, I go sing.
Abi?
On God. The thing is that as I'm rapping right now, I'm going hard. People are not saying anything. Now they do like saying I know they see them.
Yes.
I go blend in, so I go sing.
Who know do am? Who know do am? Fino did it.
Exactly.
Fino did it with, I think the first one is Each of My Money, Take Connect, I think.
Yeah.
That's the first commercial.
Fino sings perfectly right now.
Yes, he sings well.
And raps
Olamide did it. Okay, Zoro did it. Mabuza.
Yeah.
So you won't be the first to do it.
Yeah, I'll say I'll tag myself a versatile person because there is no beat I've not killed. There is no beat I don't think I cannot kill.
So now if we go to the beat cemetery now, Ozuposa, beat Ibuchago.
Even if he die, I go rise him.
Yeah,
you understand the thing?
Yeah,
whether it's Afro trap, cultural, drill, trap, which beat I never do.
Abi?
So I've tried myself many times. I've pushed myself many times. I realized that what a beat in a mambo.
Abi?
What I got the thing. So it will be very bad of me to tag myself to a particular this thing because I see myself doing more. I see myself doing more. So I just don't want to say that okay, I'm just a drill rapper. I'm just a trap artist or call me a rapper. That's fine. I can even rap on Afrobeat. You see the thing.
HM that you can rap on Chinya Udoma song or maybe Aria.
I have done gospel rap as well. There was when Zeus he posted me. There is one man from US.
Okay.
Yes, he just buzzed me and said he's a pastor, a gospel artist. He's doing one song and I should rap for him. That was 2022 as well.
Okay.
Yes. He just said I should. Okay, we talked and he sent it. I did it.
Hey, wow.
That is why I said, if this is not bringing money, I will do the one that is giving me money. He paid. I did the gospel rap. I did it very good.
Maka no ego budigo.
Hey, what I got the thing now?
On a look on come nigga some lines. Ego budigo. One happen the goalkeeper. But we are net on then get justice bank with here. Hey, you
what I got the thing now? I know.
Rap
it's for the love. Rap is sweet.
Rap is sweet.
I love rap. It's for the love, but then
there is something that some rappers, because we're talking music and rap, maybe
yes.
they will be interested.
Yes.
What is making us, normally Africans were not rap lovers.
Yes.
Normally we just want to dance.
Yeah.
That and then if we don't dance, sometimes it's hard for you to go commercial. It's hard for you to call a core rapper to come and headline your show.
Yes.
Because at the end of the show, people want to dance.
Yes. Yes.
So what started making us enjoying rap is because we started hearing what rappers were saying.
Exactly.
We were hearing what Raw,
yes.
Mr. Raw was saying how police I know we hear slow dog. See what MI did with English rap. So many people have been there rapping, but MI came. We started hearing what MI was saying. So when the Igbo no hana rap, some of you una go rap,
fast rap.
So also nisi ka ga na ekwe.
Yeah, fast rap.
I'm a more fast rap than that.
That's fast rap.
Onya akpole mama ge mama no problem mama ge.
Fast rap. Fast rap doesn't sell anymore.
And I think that is why Jerry came, and then
he slowed down.
He slowed down.
And we loved him.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, why?
Fast rap doesn't sell anymore. Fast rap doesn't sell. What you would do as a rapper right now, people want to hear you. Give us punchlines, something wisdom.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Something extraordinary. You can't just come and be doing fast this thing. Nobody is hearing you. I used to be like that, like vanity,
yes.
this one. But then a lot
Zoro
of
used
people
to do it, but I think Zoro do it for fun,
style,
and do it to show that
he's a skillful rapper.
Yes.
Yes. Fast rap now is stylish, but it does not sell.
Yes.
It's very stylish, like it shows that okay, you can rap. Quite alright.
Yes.
You understand? But people will listen to you once or twice and they'll get tired.
Yes.
Because when they say, off that thing, change that song, I beg. Because it's tiring. Like, it sounds like, okay, once I don't hear, bye-bye, you're a rapper.
Yes.
We know you're a rapper.
Yes.
But then, when they, okay, like Jerick now, this one. Jerick said, this thing. They will quote you.
Yes.
It will make them want to like, okay, play that one again. Play that song back. Everything this boy talk.
Yes.
See, that is it.
But I feel like rappers themselves don't respect slow rappers. They feel they are not really so good. For example, now, that Oloma Chuku, Jerick Flavor.
Yeah.
Jerick Vaz come be like say,
Nasing. Yes. Yes.
So some rappers feel like say, oh guy, don't be rap with this. So I think it is a rapper's issue. Like rappers now rap like a rapper.
I think it is then. Right now, everybody is doing that slow rap.
Abi?
Even Ziggy. No, Ziggy. You know him, Abi?
Yes. No, Ziggy, we were all in school together.
Right now, everybody is talking one so that people can hear.
Yes.
Oga, the updates. See, what is best for you right now is to like please your fans.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
It is what they want
the reason why
do.
you are
when you drop one and you see they're saying, oh, do this one, do this one, Oga, do this one. Negative comments will not pay you.
Yes.
That is one thing I've come to learn.
Yes.
Negative comments will not pay you.
Yes.
Once you just see they are liking everything, trust me, 97 of them, they'll wait for you every time. Once you drop something, they are on it already. But when you are getting like, I beg this guy, change this style. You are not doing this thing right. Not that you are not, something is wrong.
Yes. Yes.
So